First fact. Ever wondered how many people across the world use internet every single day? 3.2 billion people use the internet across the world. On an average, they spend about 2 hours per day on social media. From sharing links to watching videos to sending tweets, people use social media all the time. Whether you like it, love it or hate it, one thing is assured, you cannot ignore it. Social media marketing has helped over 91% of businesses. This is an indicative of a huge demand for a social media marketer. Still confused about your career path or what to study next? Social media marketing can be a good option and is emerging as a lucrative career with 2 million jobs to emerge by 2020 in digital marketing. You should explore our social media marketing course, which makes you hands-on in running marketing campaigns on social media platforms and in creating social media marketing strategies, giving you a head start in this field.
This program is delivered on NIIT Digital, our online learning platform. From a classroom-like experience to faculty and peer chat, this multi-featured platform is sure to make learning a rich and enjoyable experience for you.
Plus, with our app, you will gain access to our guided learning practices and weekly practice quizzes with an option to connect with our faculty whenever you come across some issue. This was just a sneak peek of what this course has to offer. At NIIT, you will learn digital marketing, social media strategy, running marketing campaigns, and building great content. Enroll now and create a niche for yourself in social media marketing.